Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to be talking about Halloween supplies. And you're probably going, Halloween was yesterday. Correct, which means everything is on sale today, if it's left in the store. All right, but before we jump into that, I want to talk to you a little bit about my camera stuff here going on. So I bought a new camera, and I went ahead and bought a external microphone for it, like I have on my other one. I bought this one here. Turns out the site was misleading on it, saying that basically, said works on any type camera, blah 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 blah, and it has the right plugs and everything. But this did not come with batteries. This relies on the power of that camera. That camera does not provide much power, and so over the last, I've recorded a whole bunch of videos for Your Prep for Today with this, and I didn't realize it until afterwards that they were, the volume. I mean the audio was really bad on it. I thought it was just the speakers, the cheap speakers I had in there for the computer, but it turns out it was this. And I did some testing, and I tried my old microphone, but because the other camera had taken too many spills, and this had taken too many spills, even when this was on there, if I moved the camera or touched it at all, you were getting sound. And so I have a new one that's supposed to be arriving today. So I'm just using the built-in microphone on it there. I tried putting this one on the old camera. The old camera does not provide any power to the microphone, so it wouldn't work at all. So I ate it. I had a bad one. Okay, so that's what's going on. That's what's been going on with my videos here. For a while, I was using the Kindle here, and because the Kindle has two different aspect ratio lenses on it. To get the full aspect ratio, the screen faces away, so I can't see where I'm centered on it. So that's why some of them I'm standing way over here. So, anyways, all right, back to Halloween. Oh, by the way, Happy All Saints Day. This would have been my mother's 101st birthday. All right, so Halloween supplies. Why do you need to prep Halloween supplies? Well, let's see. You got kids, grandkids, other people in your group have kids and stuff. Halloween candy and stuff is a way to keep them happy, spirits up, make them excited, give them something to be focused on. If you happen to be in a true SHTF situation or Twaggy situation where the government's failed and everything's collapsed, at least for a while you have a chance to keep them going until they get used to this new situation. One of the other things you can pick up usually on sale, especially if you have a spirit store near you, if things are on clearance today, you can get all sorts of fun stuff. You can get all sorts of fun things out there, and kids will enjoy playing with this. My grandkids love coming to my office, grabbing this, and go, "Ooh, I'm scratching my back! I'm scratching my back!" They're 4, 5, 6 years old, and they love this thing. There are a bunch of other Halloween stuff I have that they like going up and looking at, and but are a little more expensive, and I don't let them play with them. But it gives them something to look forward to on Halloween night. Now, some of these things could be used for other outside the box things. If they have feet and everything like that, to keep people away when they first see it. All they see is a dead, what looks like a dead hand out there, and inside of a shirt and everything else. You set up thing up like that. They go, "Oh, crud! Someone's a little serious around here about people staying away from his property." So just some ideas, but there's a lot of things, fun things with Halloween that you can do that will lift people's spirits and No pun intended there on spirits. I can't believe I said it like that. Anyways, think about it. You know, things are on sale. Might as well see about getting them. Don't buy this stuff, you know, a week before Halloween when it's at full price. Wait till after Halloween and it's on sale. And with that, consider buying everything on sale you can. All right. Now, if you have friends, neighbors, relatives, or you know, coworkers that are you know, that know you are getting prepared, know you have a garden, know you can food, you want them to do the same thing. And one of the ways I'm helping you out to do that is I'm going to put a couple playlists over here, the Prepping for Beginners and Prepping in Private playlists that you can show them and talk to them about while they're watching it and get them to understand that, you know, they're probably preppers already, especially if they have car insurance, life insurance, medical insurance, you know, homeowners insurance. Those are all prepared, you know, being prepared for a natural or unnatural disaster happening. And that's all prepping is. And you explain it to them that way, it's easier to get them on board to doing their own stuff. And then you talk about how fun it is growing a garden and growing your own food and saying, "Ooh, we grew this, and it tastes much better than what's in the store." Okay. All right. So I'm gonna slip on out of here, but want to remind you to stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and skills. All right? Because you want to make sure that you're prepared so you don't end up like this.